Hello, and thank you for using MyFacilities security management system for access control. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to use the Access Manager's Area Set feature. Under Access Manager, you have four options: Cardholder, Category, Area, and Area Set. For the sake of this tutorial, we will be using Area Set. In Area Set, you will see your Create, Delete, and Edit Area Set buttons. Underneath them, you have a filtering mechanism, and below that, you have your list of area sets you have access to. You can filter through your area sets by name, notes, or area set ID. To create an area set, simply click on Create Area Set. You will then be prompted to add an area set name and area set notes. Area set notes is optional. Once you are done, click on Create Area Set. The request will process, and your area set will be created. To delete an area set, simply click on the area set you want to delete and click on Delete Area Set. You will be prompted to confirm or dismiss this action. Click Confirm and the area set will be deleted. To edit an area set, click on the area set you wish to edit and click on Edit Area Set. You will be prompted to edit the area set, name, or notes. Once you are done, click on Update Area Set or Cancel if you do not wish to edit the area set at this time. To add or remove access by area sets, begin by selecting the area set that you want to work with. Once you select the area set, a section will appear below on the screen with different options to add or remove access. Let's begin with exploring this section. There is 4 available options you can choose from. Area Membership lets you add or remove areas for the selected area set. Cardholder Link lets you add, remove, block, unblock, or edit cardholders that belong to the selected area set. Category Link lets you do the same as Cardholder Link. You can add, remove, block, unblock, or edit categories. And lastly, Offline Logs just lets you see all the records linked to offline devices that belong to the selected area set. Each of these options have a filtering mechanism to help you find what you are searching for. Now, we will be focusing on the first 3 options. To add an area to your selected area set, begin by selecting Area Membership if you're not already there. Now, click on Add Area and you will be prompted to enter an area ID or description if you know it. Once you're done typing it out, you can click on the search button or just hit enter on your keyboard. If you do not know the area ID or description, you can partially type what you know and it will return the areas that match what you search for. Once you hit search, it will return a drop-down list. Select your desired area and click Add. You can select multiple areas if you like as well. Once you're done adding areas, you can view them by clicking on Edit Selection. If you see an area you do not wish to add, you can click on the trash bin icon to remove them from your selected group. When you are done reviewing your areas, you may click on Finish to successfully add the areas to the area set. You can filter through your list of areas by either area ID, area name, or area state, either with a complete value or partial value. To remove an area, simply click on the area or multiple areas that you wish to remove, and then click on Remove Area. You will then be prompted to confirm this action, and by clicking Confirm, you will have removed the area or areas from your selected area set. To add a cardholder to your selected area set, begin by selecting Cardholder Link. Now, click on Add Cardholder, and you will be prompted to enter a Panther ID, cardholder name, or cardholder ID if you know it. Please be aware you need to type at least 3 characters inside the input field or an error will show up underneath the input box. Once you're done typing it out, you can click on the search button or just hit enter on your keyboard. If you do not know the Panther ID, cardholder name, or cardholder ID, you can partially type what you know and it will return the cardholders that match what you search for. Once you hit search, it will return a drop-down list. Select your desired cardholder and click Add. You can select multiple cardholders if you like as well. Once you are done adding cardholders, you can view them by clicking on Edit Selection. If you see a cardholder you do not wish to add, you can click on the trash bin icon to remove them from your selected group. When you are done reviewing your cardholders, you may click on Next. You are then prompted if you'd like to edit the cardholder's access. You have multiple options and settings you can edit if you wish to do so. When you are done editing your cardholder's access, click Finish. Also, you can filter through your list of cardholders by their cardholder ID, Panther ID, or name, either with the complete value or partial value. To remove a cardholder, simply click on the cardholder or multiple cardholders that you would wish to remove and then click on Remove Cardholder. You will then be prompted to confirm this action, and by clicking Confirm, you will have removed the cardholder or cardholders from your selected area. To block or unblock a cardholder or multiple cardholders from an area set, select the cardholders and click on the Block or Unblock Cardholder button. You will be prompted to take an action. Your request will process and the cardholder will be blocked or unblocked depending on what you selected. To edit a cardholder, select a single cardholder and click on Edit Cardholder. Here you can edit the cardholder's access by time zone, activation period, and more. Once you are done, click on Update for your changes to save. To add a category to your selected area set, begin by selecting Category Link. Now, click on Add Category and you will be prompted to enter a category ID or category name if you know it. Once you're done typing it out, you can click on the Search button or just hit Enter on your keyboard. If you do not know the category ID or name, you can partially type what you know and it will return the categories that match what you search for. Once you hit Search, it will return a drop-down list. Select your desired category and click Add. You can select multiple categories if you like as well. Once you are done adding categories, you can view them by clicking on Edit Selection. If you see a category you do not wish to add, you can click on the trash bin icon to remove them from your selected group. When you are done reviewing your categories, you may click on Next. You are then prompted to edit your category if you wish to do so. You have multiple options and settings to choose from. Once you are done, click on Finish to successfully add the categories to the area. You can filter through your list of categories by their category ID, category name, or time zone, either with a complete value or partial value. To remove a category, simply click on the category or multiple categories that you'd wish to remove, and then click on Remove Category. You will then be prompted to confirm this action. By clicking Confirm, you will have removed the category or categories from your selected area. To block or unblock a category or multiple categories, select the category and click on the Block or Unblock Category button. You will then be prompted to take an action. Your request will process and the category will be blocked or unblocked depending on what you selected. To edit a category, select a single category and click on Edit Category. Here, you can edit the category by time zone, activation period, and more. Once you are done, click on Update for your changes to save. This will have concluded our tutorial on using the Access Manager's Area Set feature.